Hazrat Itban bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that he entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The remaining part of the hadith is similar to the previous hadith, but it adds, a man said, where is Malik bin Dukhshan or Dukhayshan? Hazrat Mahmud bin Rabi radiyallahu anhu says, I narrated this hadith to a group of people which included Hazrat Abu Ayyub Ansari radiyallahu anhu. He said, I think Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam might not have said it. Hell becomes forbidden for uttering La ilaha illallah. Hazrat Mahmud says, I then took an oath to go and get it verified by Hazrat Itman bin Malik. When I reached him, he had grown extremely old and lost his eyesight, and still used to lead his people in the prayer. I went and sat next to him and asked him about this hadith. He thereupon narrated that hadith to me like before. Zuhri says, after it many things were made obligatory, and many commands were revealed, and the religion got completed. So whosoever does not wish to be deceived should not get deceived. One will enter paradise without discharging obligatory acts, just because of uttering the article of faith. Sa'idi, Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 1495.